Okay, let's see what we can do here. Set the game state, draw the building. Okay, so we're gonna need a new one of these here because we're gonna break stuff. Hopefully not though. Bum 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 bum. Whoops. Oops. Don't do that. Bum 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 bum. I like some of the other animations better too, but yeah. Okay. Okay, let's adjust some of the volumes of things here, I think. Maybe we can turn that down just a little bit more. But that doesn't turn it down for me. Why don't we go like this? And where's the, oh yeah, it's right in here. Okay, so let's go to there. So now I can turn up my volume. Leave that up for you guys. And then whenever somebody comes into chat, I will hear it theoretically. I may hear it theoretically if you come into my chat. So there we go. Okay, so all I want to do with part one is set the game state and draw the building. That's it. So I'm going to get in and out of the game state, and then we want to draw the building. So how do we do that? How do we do that? That's a good question. We don't need that. That's just the thing. Okay. What do we need? We need this. So just a little warning too, I'm on a lot of coffee, so I gotta go fix food, and I might not keep a train of thought here. We might not do anything is what I'm trying to say. This could be, and it won't go up on... Hey Cellophane, how you doing? I'm pep talking myself, I think, I don't know. What you up to today? I'm on a lot of coffee, trying to do some coding, and there's random brainwaves going on. I'm on one cup of coffee. I have an espresso maker. I bought an espresso maker. It's totally cheap now to make coffee, and it's addicting. So, cool. So we're both on coffee. Let's get this going here. Okay, so... Alright, so let's do show planet, show terrain sliders. So just like show planet, we want to show trading. Station, show trading. Okay, that's good. So far so good. We created a game state. Go me. So, what does that mean? So that means in here, whenever I have the game state, it moves to something different. Okay, so we want to do basically the same as show planet, except for we're not going to show planet. Game state equals show trading. Okay, good. Thank you, Visual Studio, for that. IntelliSense. Okay, so cursor disabled. I think we want to do that with this one. We want to do transforms, and then we'll do something similar to do show planet. Okay. Actually, this works right now. It doesn't, there's nothing that changes it into show trading. Okay, so that's good. We have to change it into show trading. How do we do that into the show planet? Let's look at do show space real quick, because when we're in space, what we do is we show background scholarship, set laser rotation, crazy global able beam. Aha, right here. Space B font render. Display beam to beam down on screen. Right here. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, the B font. Okay. All right. How do we set that up? Oh, it's right here. Ba-da-da-ba-bum, bum. 11:20. Okay, we'll come right back there. Jay Fresh, what's up? Welcome in. How you doing? We're talking about coffee. What are you up to today? What's happening, sir? Cool. It's nighttime. Oh. It's mid-evening for me. Ah, you're in the East Coast probably? Or that line of longitude? Oh, really cool. Just ignore the virus search warning. It's just I am GUI. Let me know if you run into any problems, or if you like it or love it or hate it. Criticism and feedback is welcome. And otherwise, enjoy. It's kind of fun. I love the jetpack on the planets. If you go to land on the planets, I love the jetpack. So XYZ plus offset. So we can set whatever XYZ we want, I think. So let's go back to here. What did I say, 1120? Boy, I can't believe I remembered that.
JFresh401 Gaming said, to fix the virus thing, you need to digitally sign your EXE. Costs 1,200.
Oh, digitally sign? Yeah, no. Probably not going to do that. Probably not going to do that.
JFresh401 Gaming said, I feel you.
Am I in the wrong spot here? I think I remembered the wrong spot. $11.20. Why did... I was lost. Okay. I have been found. So let's copy this. I have no idea what we're going to do here, but let's go... I don't even know if this is going to work. See, that one's red, green, blue. Let's go blue. Red? I don't know. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba. Because I've forgotten. But what happens now with do show space and the space B font render, oh okay, it sends in the transformation. Disable B to beam down on screen, display. Okay, I can't even read. My eyes are so fried. Okay, so let's try it. I just added that command in there. We have the game state, but it's not doing anything. There's nothing that transitions to the game state yet. And then I have dimensions for the trading station. I might even do some decor if this works. So far we haven't broken anything. That's good. Looks like it's running. Let's go here. What is it? Oh, it doesn't display. Okay, so it doesn't display the whole thing here. I'm not sure what it's doing. Okay, so let's look at what we have done. We have broken it. I have broken it. All right, well that's a start. It's honestly a start. So where did we modify right here? So draw username 2. Let's take a look at this now. IDX. Starting index. Joystick, I could possibly put in some joystick commands. I mean, for sure I could. I just haven't done it yet. That would be really cool, wouldn't it? So does IDX start out at 0 each time? And it doesn't keep track of how many... Like, wait, where's the render function on this? Oh, there's draw username and draw username 2. Okay, whatever. And then set point render. Oh, it's hardwired into draw 7, so I just... Okay, that's fine. That makes sense. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. So we want to know total letters. So let's go like this. Total letters. I can probably do it for you if I use the same API calls. Oh.
Cellophane 1157 said, I just had
Oh, interesting. Um, Actually, I've done it before. A long time ago, though, because I use the GLFW library, so they have support for joystick controls. And then it would probably take a little bit of mapping because not all the joystick controls are. I don't even actually have any experience with. I mean, I bought like four of them like a couple of years, 3 or 4 years ago. And they're just sitting around in my living room. But yeah, there's definitely joystick input controls and stuff. That's something that I'm gonna do later towards release. Yeah. So I've dabbled with it, and I've got a video on YouTube, I think, from like probably 3 or 4 or 5 years ago. But yeah, so there's that. And then which one? So I'm calling draw username 2. Okay, so draw username 2. So we go through this, IDX. At the end of this, we just want to go total letters plus equals IDX. Like that. And then we want to go bfont render. Wait, did I get a new there. Before I go breaking everything. I've probably already broken it. I've broken it now. Okay, so here we just want to draw total letters. But yeah, it's definitely in the works, just probably a little more in the future than most things. And I can imagine eventually wanting people using keyboard and joystick instead of keyboard and mouse. Is kind of how I pictured it, but I didn't really give it that much thought, to be honest. Okay, bfont, total letters. So every time through it updates total letters. That's cool. Alright, let's try it again. And I broke bfont 11. Slightly, just slightly. So we get T to trade, and it doesn't show... Oh, it shows that other stuff here. So why does it show that other stuff there? Interesting. So the first call here is not working on it? I don't get it. Where was it? 1120, yeah. Is there a different 1120 that I... Am I only going to 1020 and missing it or something? Yeah, I was going to 1020. Okay, 1120, Jeff. 2 ones. Sorry. Okay. So draw username, B to land, and it should put that in there. And then this is just below it on the Y. Oh, IDX. Okay, so when we do this, hold on. The problem is we need to go IDX plus total letters. There we go. So it was setting everything correctly except for that. So I wonder if it'll show directly underneath it. Well, that's what we're going to find out. We need to see a planet. Planet. I wonder what causes the nebulas to jump like that in the background. I gotta fix that. We have to fix that. But for now, they're pretty. Oh, there we go. B to land, T to trade. Okay, T does nothing. Okay, B to land takes you to the, oh yeah, the beam down. Psychedelic transfer of matter. Oh. Oh, we're fine now. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Woohoo! Okay. All right. So that works. Now we need, so we got what? What did we just do? We got T to trade. We got a game state listed. Now we just need that game state to actually do something. Show trading. Okay, so the do show planet is a show planet do transforms. Okay, goes through all this. Update camera position, render, draw background stars, blocks, render, space blocks, update, move background stars, call function, show tutorial window. Okay, so it just goes right into it. Do show planet. Oh, because, oh wait, where is it at? Process input. So what happens is, here, B, game state warp active, init warp effect B. Init warp effect, right. Okay, I forgot about that, yeah. I should write all this down in a little thing, so. Okay, so here it is. Init warp effect 1, crazy global, and then update data. So here's an initial, so we want to do something similar to this with the trading station. Okay. And we could actually have a beam down to the trading station, so we could have an animation. Yeah. Let me just think. Init warp effect. Bum bum bum. Next state equals show planet. Okay, so right in here. Oh, but no. Well, then we can have. Yeah, we could just have another function. All right, hold on. So what we want to do is. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum. Oh, that's something I want to do eventually too. I want to do a Twitch. Hold on. I want to do the Twitch chat integration.
Forgot to make dinner.
In the GUI. Forgot to what? Forgot to make dinner? I'm about to. Actually, it's going to be breakfast. My sleeping schedule's way off. I start a new job Sunday, I think. I still don't have confirmation on when orientation is, but okay, so let's go with, let's just do a new function for now. Init trading. We'll just call it that. We can trade it later. We can update it later, do whatever we want to do. So for now, what we want to do is game state equals show trading. What we want to do is initialize. Okay, solar one. We want some initialization that's going to initialize the trading station, because what we've got now is more than likely a planet, I think, that happens when do class init starts. So we need to actually hold on. Let's write this down. So we need a call to blocks class to initialize trading station, and then we need to update blocks class data. So that's very similar to right down here where we initialize the warp effect, we set the stage for the next state being the show planet after a few seconds, and then we update the data because that's the crazy global, the init warp effect one, that actually does the yeah, that does the initialization for the planet. So call to blocks class initially trading station, update blocks class data, okay. And then init trading station, that's gonna happen in the process input when you hit T. Like, oh, alright. I get so lost in this code. So lost in the code. Okay, so B, init warp effect T, we don't have a T. Okay, so that's what we have to do. If keys GLFW key T. See, this is where I would put the joystick controls and stuff. If crazy global in-game state and warp active, init warp effect. Okay, so we kind of want the same exact thing. If crazy global is less than 20 and whoops, and game state is not equal to warp active. Okay, that's fine. Then we need to call init, and what did I call init? Trading? Okay. Okay. So far this will work. Okay, I'm gonna go get a drink, something to hydrate myself. I'm gonna start pizza, so I'll probably be back in about 5-10 minutes because I'm gonna make pizza right now. Okay, sorry about that. I said a pizza. We've got a pizza. Okay. Here we go. So now all we need is a call to the block class to initialize the trading station and then update the block class data. And then we need to do show trading. Similar to what I had before. Similar to do show space. Okay, so call to blocks class to initialize the trading station. Is this the new one I'm working with? Yes. Okay. Okay, this is going to be interesting, but yeah. So it's just going to be a void for now. I have no idea what we're going to do with this eventually. I'm literally just doing this to get myself started with it because I just need to start it. So to init the trading, I've already got some stuff for... To begin with, let's just draw a 30 by 30. And all we really need is temp block sub, and it's going to be I times 30 plus j dot position equals, and we're just going to start from 0, 0 and go out. So I comma 0 comma j. We're just going to start at 0, 0 and go out. And then the temp block, I times 30 plus j, color, let's just make it all random. Is there anything else that we need? No. Okay. So we have 90,000 blocks we can use. That's enough. That's enough. That's really cool because we're only using 900 here. So that leaves 89,100. Okay. So let's just do that. I don't know. Block init trading. So right here we're going to call, is it, which one? For the blocks. Space blocks. There you go. So we're just going to call that. And then space blocks 1, block update data. Do we need any parameters for that? It looks like we don't. Perfect. So, okay, so that will do that. Um, what's the render function? I should check that because block render 90,040. That's a problem. That's a problem because we only want to render 900. So we need to set that initially when you initialize a planet. Okay. So, and then, okay. All right. That's going to be, well, we can fix it right now. So initially when we do this for the class inits, see block init VAO VBO. Oh, where did I commented that out, but where does that actually happen? Block init data. Find block init. I think I was, yeah. So this is in do warp effect. Ah, okay. So block init data, that one. Okay, so what we should probably do, because the other function is block init trading. So when you make a planet, you call blah blah blah, then you do block init data, block update data. Okay, so let's just simplify what I'm thinking about and do a simple. Computer, go to the top of the file. Okay, so let's just go set, call it set number of blocks. I don't know. I just want it to be verbose, and it's just going to be a gluint, void block 1 block set number blocks, and we'll just take num blocks. So when you call that function, and then we'll just go right here. Okay. So that way we'll have access to that, and then so let's go to the render function. And right here. Okay, so 90,040. Okay, that's when we initialize back here. So then we just go here, we'll go space blocks. Set. Ah, man, it's not IntelliSensing because I haven't compiled once yet. Set block set number blocks. It's also not IntelliSensing because I'm not typing the right function name. Start 90040. Okay, we're just going to hard code that in for now. The other one here, then when we init trading, we do this, go space blocks, block, set number of blocks. This will be 900, so we want to draw 900. So that'll work, set number of blocks, num blocks, and it'll come down render, okay. Okay, update the block class data. So do show trading. Okay, so what we need is do show space. Bum 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 bum. Trading station, we don't need background stars. We don't need the planets, asteroids, stars. We don't need to draw stick ships. Show user stats, no. Update the player, no. Move planets, swirls, background stars, spaceships, solar, laser, no. Crazy global. Update data, no. Crazy global, able beam. Actually, no. Able beam. So we don't need any of that. We just need. What is this? Oh, do show planet is what I'm looking for, sorry. Computer. So glitched. Okay, default camera, all that fun stuff. Do lerp. Okay, show background stars, space blocks, render, update data. If update blocks. Oh, and we don't do that. So we just need a render, space blocks render, and that's all we need. Move background stars, call function, calculate camera. We don't need any of that stuff yet. Show tutorial. Okay, we don't need that either. We just want to draw the basic trading station. That's it. So basically, this is it. I don't actually know what's going to happen. Do show trading. Okay, so now let's go back to the game state. Right here. Do show trading. Very interesting. And then escape should get us out. So is that all we need to do? I'm scared. Let's see what happens. Wait, did we put it in T? I think we did. Key T? Yeah, I think I did, didn't I? I don't know. I'm not paying attention. I'm on too much caffeine to pay attention, really. Okay. B to land still works. We got the animation there going on. 8 seconds. And I'm going to have different variations on this because I like some of the other stuff we did. And let's go T to trade. Oh. Okay, so it's showing it, but I can't move. That's fine, I guess, so far. Alright, it looks like that works. But we're so far away from it, so that's cool. And escape doesn't get me out of it. So we're kind of screwed. And my cursor is locked. Okay. I got you. I got you. Let's just go like that. Close it down. So why couldn't I escape to leave? And then why couldn't I move? Do show planet. Let's go look at that real quick. Do show planet. Because do show planet does do update camera position. Okay. Okay, so let's do this too, because when we do the trading, do show trading, we want to initialize the camera. Actually, let's. Oh no, that does work. Okay, so let's go block. Draw trading station? No, init trading. Okay, so here, init trading, set number of blocks, update blocks class data, then update camera. But it did allow me to look around. So camera position equals GLM, vector 3. What does it usually start out as? Oh, that's why, 150, 156. Okay, starts out in the middle. So let's just go 0, 6, 0. Since that'll put us right near the blocks and we can actually see the platform. This is going a lot better than I thought. And I actually did pizza and stuff in the middle of doing this, so that's crazy, but whatever. It's too much caffeine. Too much caffeine. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Okay, T to trade. Ah, there it is. Okay, so there's our little station. That's 30 by 30, right? I picture it being longer. But it looks like, you know, with the music and stuff, it's like a disco. So, okay. My pizza's probably going to be done soon. And we have other stuff to work on this. So I'm going to end for now. I thank everybody for being here and watching and everything. For Cellophane and for JFresh for tuning in. Thank you guys. Okay, I will be back later after pizza is consumed and we have digested what we've done with the trading station. Part 2 coming up. Stay tuned.